This is the CCURE Go Reader. It is a mobile card reader and it connects to your CCURE system through either Wi-Fi or cellular. There are several different applications for this reader. This video is going to cover how we use it for online mustering. The Go Reader is going to allow you to be super organized during muster events, and the display is going to give your security staff visibility over who is left in each area and who has been marked safe and accounted for. Also, because this can connect over Wi-Fi or cellular, the Go Reader is going to be constantly in sync with your CCURE system, meaning it's in sync with all the other Go Readers on the system, as well as any other muster points. All right, so I'm gonna simulate a muster. I'm gonna take the display from my Go Reader and I'm gonna cast it so that you can see what I'm looking at. And I'm also gonna take CCURE and put it on the screen as well so that you can see how quickly everything synchronizes. So a fire is broken out, people are evacuating their areas and heading toward their muster points. I'm standing there. The first person that shows up is going to be Marco Medano. So I'm going to take Marco's credential and I'm going to present it at the Go Reader. And you see Marco pops up there. We're going to see missing people count goes from 3 to 2. And you'll see that it's synchronized to the CCURE immediately. The next person who shows up is going to be Trisha Patterson. So I'm going to present her card as well. And you can see, again, immediately we go from missing people from 2 to 1. Synchronizes with the CCURE again in real time. And then the last person that shows up is going to be Destiny Rodriguez, but Destiny forgot her card at her desk because of the chaos. So there's a little search for people button up here at the top, and I'm actually going to go in there and I'm going to search for Destiny. And I can see that Destiny Rodriguez pops up. I'm going to click on her, muster Destiny. I'm going to click yes. Perfect. She's successfully been mustered. And if I go back and look at my list, we no longer have anybody missing from the area, and it's synchronized with CCURE. There are 5 things I love about using this reader as a muster reader. Number 1, the fact that it's got Wi-Fi and cellular built in means that your team is always online, always coordinating with real-time information. Number 2, inevitably, people are going to forget their cards during a muster event. And the fact that you can do a manual lookup and manually muster people in is huge. Number 3, the fact that our guards actually photo verify people as they're mustering in, make sure our counts are accurate. Number 4, area assessment. I can actually go in and I can see all of my areas, who's left in, and if I click on those areas, it'll actually show me who they are and what they look like. And 5, reports. If I've got a lab and there's 3 people showing as unaccounted for and still being in there, I can click the email icon, I can generate a PDF report, send it to the people within that department, and then they might be able to let me know if they've seen or heard from those people. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you have any additional questions, please visit us at swhouse.com and click contact us in the corner. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.